Assalamualaikum viewers and welcome to my cooking channel. Cooking is my passion and here I share recipes from common and traditionals with a twist on my own. I hope you will subscribe and come along on this fun, inventive journey of cultural exchange through cooking. So let's start. Today I will show you how to make Laccha Semai Barfi. First of all, what ingredients do I need to make it? 1 packet Laccha Vermicelli, 1 cup of condensed milk, 2 teaspoons ghee, 3-4 cardamom, raisins as needed, pesto and cashew nuts.